see you got some brand new burners on the last two that weren't carrying over. We got this thing back in shape, got your new capacitor. That's the old 10 microfarad there. This blower is gonna work now. We should be able to carry this flame over consistently. Also, as an extra thing, I went ahead and cleaned this flame sensor so you didn't have to call me back. And yeah, just as soon as get ready to sell the house, and the inspector, if they notice anything, just call us back. We'll get you fixed up. If you don't have natural gas and you have LP gas, like when you live out in the country, you got to make sure that they got that. We appreciate your business. We look forward to doing business with you in the future. You can always count on us at Arctic Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing for duct cleaning, or if you need a sewer replaced, stopped up sinks, need duct work done. We've been doing it for 19 years. This is Chris, Arctic Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. See you next time.